In the beginning, when working towards a planche and an L-sit, at some points they can almost look similar in the beginning. So in the very beginning, this might be your L-sit progression, and this might be your planche progression.
What's the planche?
The planche, in the end, is when the ability to hold your body off the floor with a lean forward, and then it progresses into more advanced elements by making the levers more problematic. Cool. So, what I want you to do is very, very simple. I want you to use some materials that we have here, boxes, weight plates, and find your correct height for a 5 to 6 second hold. A 5 to 6 second hold. And just bring your stuff over here. Again, as I said, we're going to start with the feet in front. Depression, protraction, slowly bring the knees in. This is going to be the start position for the L-sit. After from there, we're going to start bringing the knees out, and the bend is fine. The finishing touch is the straight knees, okay? And make sure that the shoulders are in syncing. Yeah. This is why if we have the elevation too high, if we're too high, I'm like, oh yeah, I got it, I'm holding it. But I don't notice, I don't even know that this is happening because I'm too high.